I'm going to show you how to get to grips with triple embossing. You're going to need a pigment ink, some embossing powder, a clear pigment ink or watermark ink pad, as well as your stamp and your heat tool. The first job is to apply pigment ink onto the surface of your card. Now I'm using a brown ink here, but you can use pretty much any colour because it's going to be covered by your embossing powder. Before the ink dries, apply embossing powder all over your inked area and then return the excess powder back to your pot. Use your heat tool to heat the powder on the ink. Once you've heated all over, simply apply another layer of ink on top, followed by more embossing powder. And then heat again. Then simply repeat the process until you've built up a nice thick layer of embossing powder and work your way up, perhaps to 7 or 8 layers. When you've applied enough layers of embossing powder, you'll know by the glassy, smooth effect your embossing powder has on the card. Before we apply our very last layer of powder, we need to apply a nice layer of pigment ink over our rubber stamp. This enables it to release really easily from the embossing powder when we press it in later on. Just pop that to one side for use later. Next, we need to apply one more layer of embossing. So, as we've done before, swipe ink over our cardstock and apply our powder. We'll need to work quickly when we've heated the powder because we need to maintain the molten nature of the powder when we press the stamp into it. Press your stamp in really firmly and just give it a second to set and then remove it from the powder. And that's how we do triple embossing.